Hello guys, this is Mima here, and today we're opening Cutie Tooties. As you guys see, this one is sparkly and is pink. And this one is
Yellow.
and red.
No, that one's orange.
Oh, snaps. I forgot the colors, man. They changed it. And this one is orange because I don't know why they changed it. And this super sparkly. I can't believe it. I'm excited to open it. And the last one is the beautiful red and the glittery as the same one.
My favorite color.
Okay, let's start opening.
All right.
And the bottom. Oh yeah, kind of right here.
Ooh.
Okay, we got the checklist, and we got our pretty tootie.
Oh, it's so cute.
We will put this later. Okay,
All right, let's see.
and now we gotta open it on the tiny bottom. Let's see what we got.
Oh yeah. Ooh, I don't know this. I think we have to cut it.
No, you just have to peel with that fingers.
Yeah, I'm trying
Just
to though.
peel.
Oh no, I think we have to cut it.
No. You just gotta peel.
Oh, slime! Yeah, go ahead if you want to put it in there.
This
Look,
water
guys,
slime.
there's slime.
This water slime.
Ooh, watery slime. Ooh, yeah. Go around. There you go. Look, guys, it's awesome.
Ugh. Look at that gooiness. But look how pretty that is. This
It's
blue.
sparkly, it's so glittery.
Yeah. I love this.
Oh, what do you have in there?
I don't know. This like little tiny animals.
Oh, there is.
Yeah. It's like the sparkly critters. Ah, this too sticky. Why is it sticky? Why there is sticky
Because
stuff?
it's like,
Goop.
yeah.
Why is it goop sticky?
Oh,
Okay, we still gotta take off the slime, but this okay.
Who did you get?
We got hold on.
Oh, here's the checklist.
We got Stormy.
Ooh.
There's like a. Can I need help taking her out?
Oh,
Let me just
yeah,
open
I
this.
don't have no idea how to see.
That fell out. Man, this kind of
Oh, look, guys!
This
It's so
Stormy, and he has cute little.
Let's see his eyes. Let's see. That's so cute.
Gonna put him on the side there, and just gonna put this on the floor so I can use it on the sewage. I don't know what I said, but I say storage.
All right, let's do the next one.
I bet we're gonna do orange. We got the another.
So you already got the blue goop.
Yeah.
Ooh, the water slime. I think they're all different.
Yeah, there is.
Oh yeah, they're different.
Yeah. Now, gotta pull the sting out.
Let's see.
Oh,
He's got Stormy here. So cute.
oh, got it! Yes!
All right.
Okay, let's get the orange one out of this one. This is quite. Okay, help.
All right, we got the orange one.
If this crunchy slime, that means the sticky.
I am trying my best. All right. Ooh. Okay, you got putty slime.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
I tried to take out the rain bag. Can you take the rain bag while I take out the slime?
All right. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh yeah, this putty slime is a little hard.
Yeah, it kind of sticks to the putty.
All right. Ooh, look at that.
Do not look at this until you guys see. It's kind of hardish. Oh, look at the parts.
Yeah, you have to take it out.
Gotta take out the whole entire thing. Be careful. Get it wet. But it's cute.
Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah, it's really hard, but I got this because
Yeah, you do. Wow.
And they're cute little moons.
Oh, that's so cute.
We're gonna put that here.
All right, and let's see what we get. Oh, isn't that cute? Let me see.
And they can move
What
their
do they-
heads.
What do they come with? Okay. Oh, can I see? Oh, I know who you got. Okay, so we got.
I really want the rainbow kitty.
Oh no. Okay, so we got Bang. That was the first one, and we got Ash. Ooh, isn't
Bang?
that cute? Yeah.
It's a stormy cloud. It's like that was about to rain.
Oh.
And what's this thing called again?
Ash.
Ash.
Yep.
And what's this one called?
No, this one is Bang. This one is Ash.
Okay. So we got Bang and Ash. Bang
They
doesn't
are
wanna
so
say that.
cute.
Okay, we got 2 more left. Put these on the bottom.
Alright. Let's see. Look how cute they are.
Okay, we got 2
More. Oh yeah, 2 more. You're so right.
Okay, let's see if we can smooth out those. Okay, we got the smooth out. Oh, we got another jelly.
Yeah.
And the little one is coming straight out. Okay.
Can you give me other cutie tooties? The little, these, they're right there. I want to see them. They're so cute. Ooh, you're so cute. Put that one there. Oh,
Gonna need some help opening this one. And we got one more. Okay. I feel something. This crunchy slime.
It is? Ooh, ooh, yeah. Crunch slime. Yup.
And it's kind of sticky too. Kind of put all of that there.
I like how they have the surprises inside the slime. It makes it so much fun.
This one is cute.
It's cute. What do we have? Oh, we have. Wait.
There's on the
Yes.
other side.
Oh, there's another side. Twinkle! Oh, it's so cute! Wow.
Let's get the slime out because I really love these slimes.
They are cute. They're so cute, look. I like their eyes. Their eyes are so adorable. And their big eyelashes too.
That the crunchy slime. We're almost done with the crunchy slime. We're almost done. We're almost done. Ooh. Oh man.
Wow, crunchy slime.
There's some around there. We're gonna wash this out.
We're probably just gonna have to dig in there.
Man.
That is so awesome.
Okay, just one more piece.
All right, one more. You're almost there. You got it?
Yeah.
Cute.
And the last one.
Last one.
And this one is the pink one. We got the chugga again. Put that on the floor.
Let's see. Who do we get?
Let me see. I think we're gonna get this one soft.
Oh, we'll see.
I really want soft.
Or maybe this one. This one is the bouncy slime. Ooh. And the other one's marshmallow.
This one is really hard.
All right.
This kind of you have to pull off this little tip.
All right.
Man, this one is going to be hard. At least these ones are not hard. But this one is kind of crunchy slime and it kind of sticks. Which I really, really like the crunchy slime. It's super exciting!
Yeah, I can't open this one. No. Wait. Almost got it. No, it's so hard.
Okay, this is a little minute, guys.
Uh-oh. Well, I was finally able. This is where. Well, maybe I think it might be possible. I don't know. What do you think?
Maybe this is the putty slime.
No, it's not.
Why? The putty slime is supposed
Look
to
at
be
the color.
Oh yeah, this golden.
Might be a rare one.
Okay, can you take this flame back out?
Yeah, I told you it was a rare one.
I bet this is not the twin because I don't
Yeah,
want.
I know you're gonna be super excited. No, it's not a twin. This is rare.
Okay, gonna
All
put
right.
the sound aside.
I told you, it's rare.
Okay, gotta take out the slime, guys.
I was waiting. Oh wow! Somehow I knew you were gonna get this one.
Which one?
Okay, I'll let you know
Afterward,
when you're done taking the slime out.
okay. Yeah, this kind of.
They are so cute. It's gold.
Can you take this one out? Will I show the people?
All right. Yeah.
I really want to get this one. Oh my God.
You got a prism.
I love prism.
It's cute, right?
And
He comes with the gold slime, so if you guys see the gold slime, that means you are going to get a rare one.
look, if you move this tail, just like with a moving head. Look how cute it is.
Oh, it is cute.
I'm gonna put this one in the middle because this is the most beautiful one.
Oh, wow. They are so cute. And they each come with their slime. Look. That. There's that one. And we have this one for the rare one. So we'll put that one. We'll put that one there. And we got this one there. And one more. Ooh, we got the water one. Here, hold on.
Yeah,
Water one.
this is like real water.
It feels like water, right?
Yeah, it feels like you're touching slime water.
Like you're touching water, but you can actually move it.
It looks like clear seafood.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Look, guys, these are so cute.
Oh yeah, I gotta switch because
they're cute.
Okay.
You got 4 amazing ones. So let's see. We got Bang. He is in the Sky Blue Dudes. Sky Blue Dudes. So that's. Oh, and Ash is too.
Ash.
Yeah, Ash and Blang. They are in the Sky Blue Dudes.
Twinkle.
And Twinkle is in the Cosmic Doo-Doos. Yep, Twinkle. And then, ooh, we got the Boogie Poops. That's where she's from.
Oh.
Prism is from the Boogie Poops.
What's Boogie Poops?
That's their world.
What? It's like Boogie Poops.
Yeah. They're cute.
Ugh.
Guys, these are so much fun.
Yes, it is pretty slime because you see how this hard?
Told you.
I really want to get back to slime.
That's cute.
And this is the end of my video. I hope you subscribe. If you have any comments below, subscribe again.
And ring the bell. Give us a big
thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.